Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to make this type of logo. It's really easy to make, so let's get started. First, let me tell you which software we are using. We are using Adobe Photoshop, but you can also use the pure CSS, Adobe XD, Figma, or Adobe Illustrator. I'm using Photoshop because I found that it's really easy to make this logo on Photoshop. So let's get started now, yeah? And this video will be in English so I can reach to lots of people, and this video will be really short. So now let's stop talking and let's make this logo. Yeah, go to file and create a new file. Choose your canvas size. Here we go, 1080 by 1080. Now first step is we have to create this rectangle or square which will contain our main icon. So let's make this. Choose a rounded rectangle tool and make this type of square, and make sure you choose equal height and width. So I'm choosing equal height and width, and give this a good amount of radius, any number which you feel looking really nice. Now next step is we have to give this a color. So we will give a gradient color to this. So choose a gradient. You don't just need to add a gradient color, you can play with the colors. Okay, it's your choice. I'm using here linear gradient. Now let's just choose the colors. Here we go. I think this color looks decent. In top I will just choose a little lighter color, and that's all we have to do for this. So box is done. The first step is done. Now the second step is we have to create this A letter, A, or these sticks which looks little bit of 3D. Let's achieve this. Okay, in Photoshop we have a 3D tool, but we are not going to use that. We will make this little 3D effect without using that 3D option. Once again, choose that rounded rectangle option and make these sticks. Okay, these type of sticks, and fill this with the white color, and that's all we have to do. And in corners make sure this is rounded, so choose a good number of radius so it can look this type of rounded. Now the second step is just rotate this a little bit like this, and that's all. Now the second step is, oh sorry, now okay now the second step is we have to give shadow to this stick. So go to effect and click on drop shadow and choose a dark color, and still you can play with these values and colors. Give opacity around 42 or 38, and give angle to your shadow, and choose a distance, size, all those things. Okay, I think this looks okay, and I'm liking this much shadow. And you can also give multiple shadows by just clicking on this plus icon, and it's good to give multiple shadows sometimes. Now let's just click on OK, and that's it. Now the second step, no, the third step is we have to make this a little bit of 3D. So for that we are going to use one more effect which is called bevel. So go to effects and choose a bevel and emboss, and here in this case choose a depth as 1000, and select the style as inner bevel and technique smooth, of course. And let me just zoom in to show you the changes. Choose the values according to your preference. Okay, and here I'm choosing same color as my background box. I think it's looking good. That's all. And now next step is just simply copy this, Control C and Control V, and rotate this and make a A shape. Like this, and one more time we have to copy and paste this and click on this and then flip vertically, and here we go, and adjust them properly. Okay, I think it's looking good, and I will just link them and put them in center of that square, and here we go. So we have created the logo. It's really easy to make. And one more thing, here you can see this line is above this one line and below this line. How I did this, it's really easy. What I did, it's all about adjusting layers. Okay, if I take this layer and make this into top, here you can see this portion comes to the top. If I take this and drag between two of them, then this portion goes down. So this basically of work of layering. Okay, nothing else. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye, take care. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment sections or just contact me on Instagram and follow the channel. Bye, take care.